Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this full guide, we'll show you how to add a description to your list in X. Let's jump right in, step 1. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. You can find the X app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will open up your profile settings. Step 3. Now, navigate to Lists. Look for this option within the menu that appears after tapping your profile picture. Step 4. Type your desired list name. This is the name that will appear for your list. Step 5. Tap Edit List. This will allow you to make changes to your list settings. Step 6. Then, tap Description. This will bring up the option to add a description to your list. Step 7. Type your desired description in the provided space. You can include any details or information you want to share about the list. Lastly, tap Save to save your changes, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a description to your list in X. This feature allows you to provide additional context or details for your lists. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.